Hi, yeah, thank you. Your friends from White Lotus Home. My cool outfit. Anyway, so we have this nice, beautiful pillow, and we're trying to get it in a smaller package than we've been sending it. So we use our vacuum, and we put it here. It's been here for a couple of days now, nice and compact, and then we're gonna open it, and hopes that it comes back to life as it should. Which it should. We're using nothing but natural fibers, and sometimes you just need to stiffen them up. Be very careful when opening and not using like a big knife. So, you're probably wondering what is this? Oh, that's just the cover, no problem. Here's the product. So what happens is, just like Mother Nature, you let fresh air do its work, trick. You open this up, and as you see, it's already going back. Look at that. Just needs to breathe a little bit. Look at that guy, and look at this guy. Pretty close, I think. Thank you.